conventions. Correct? Yes, sir. Correct. First rule is what? Separate entity concepts. Separate entity concept, also known as business entity concepts. तो यहां लिखा हुआ एक कॉन्सेप्ट, यू अंडरस्टूड दिस इज व्हाट कॉन्सेप्ट्स. करेक्ट? अंडरस्टूड. सेपरेट एंटिटी कॉन्सेप्ट. Separate entity concept means I started, just try to understand, I started with this only. मैंने कल अपना क्लास यहीं से स्टार्ट किया था. चेक करो, याद करो. राम started a business, Ram and company, correct, and do many transactions with supplier, bank, customer, government, correct. Now can I say, बताओ, we do accounting for Ram or Ram and company? बताओ, just try to understand. We are doing accounting for Ram or Ram and company? Everyone respond. We are doing accounting for Ram or Ram and company? Respond fast. बोलो. So we are doing accounting for Ram and company means, can I say Ram and company are two different person, are two different person. Huh? The difference is what? Ram is a natural person and Ram and companies are artificial person. इसे बोलते हैं artificial, artificial person. Correct? Understood? Correct. So it means business entity concept. So business is considered as a separate entity for accounting. Separate entity for accounting. Correct? Understood? Now, sir, why? तो ये तो पता ही है. Just try to understand everyone my point. Why this is known as assumption? We have taken this assumption for accounting. Means while doing accounting, business will be a separate entity. Ram and company will be a separate entity. Just try to understand. Ram is doing business in the name of Ram and company. Ram is doing business in the name of Ram and company. Everyone, am I correct? Ram is doing a business in the name of Ram and company. Means for accounting, Ram and company and Ram are two different person. For accounting, everyone listen. For accounting, Ram and company and Ram are two different person. My question to you all, everyone, if Ram has done some, just try to understand, if Ram has done some fraud in the business, correct, in the name of business, correct, means suppose Ram and company में कुछ घोटाला हुआ, correct, Ram and company is not able to pay to other person, तो घोटाला है. बताओ, police will come and catch Ram and company कि Ram. My question to you all, police will come and catch Ram and company ki Ram? बोलो. देखो, someone is saying Ram and company, someone is saying Ram. We still now, even though you have done accounting in your class 11 and 12, but till now you have not understood the basic point I have asked. Just try to understand. Legally, police will come and police will never catch Ram and company. Ram and company is an artificial person, correct? Means Ram and company is not a legal person. Are you getting what I am saying? Means police will come and catch what? Ram. Means Ram was doing business in the name of Ram and company. Means legally, can I say Ram will be Ram will be what? Liable for this? Correct. It means one assumption has been taken for accounting. Just try to understand what I am saying. One assumption means legally Ram is doing business. In the eyes of law, राम को पकड़ेंगे, राम एंड कंपनी को नहीं पकड़ेंगे. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? राम एंड कंपनी को नहीं पकड़ेंगे, राम को पकड़ेंगे. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? तो लीगली who will be liable for this fraud? Ram. But for accounting, one assumption has been taken कि Ram and company are two different person. But legally, Ram and company are same. Ram and company are same. Just try to understand. I am taking class right now. Suppose this is whatever this class we are conducting. This is sole proprietorship. एक बार मान लेते हैं. Correct? तो I am what? Chiranjit Jain. And the name of the business is what? Name of the business is what? Topic education. Correct? Understood? Suppose this is sole proprietor. Correct? So I am doing the business in the name of Topic Education. So I am the owner of Topic Education. Correct? Now what contract we have done, that we will teach you CA foundation for the November whatever attempt. Correct? Understood? Yes sir. Yes sir. Now suppose we are not able to complete the syllabus. बताओ, you will file a case against Topic Education or Chiranjit Jain. Even though you are filing a case against Topic Education, can you say I will be liable? Legally, I will be liable for this. Correct. It means legally both may be the same person, but for accounting, Ram and company are different. Therefore, we call it as an assumption. इसको बोलते हैं assumptions. Understood? So for accounting, we have taken an assumption. Understood this point? Have you understood this point? Respond. Have you understood this point? To those who have said Ram and company, have your doubt clear? बोलो, क्या आपका डाउट क्लियर हुआ? देखो, as per this concept, business and honor are separate persons for accounting. Correct? Understood? In simple word, business are assumed to be a separate entity other than owner of business. Correct? Understood? Due to this concept, only those transactions which affects the financial position of what? But the of, fill the blank, will be recorded. Will be recorded. You need to fill the blanks. Due to this concept, only those transactions which affect financial position of what? Batao. Everyone respond. Of what? Of what? Very good. Of business means of Ram and company, not Ram. Of Ram and company, not Ram. And can I say that this was the first condition? This was the first condition of financial transaction. Financial transaction are those transactions which changes the financial position of business. Means of Ram and company, not Ram. Correct? Understood? This point? Correct. Understood? Correct? Note. Note. Write down. Any any personal transactions, any personal transactions which do not affects the financial position of financial position of business will not be recorded, will not be recorded. But where? Will not be recorded where? Everywhere. Any personal transaction which do not affect the financial position of business, financial position of business will not be recorded where? Will not be recorded where? Very good. In books of account means your understanding. In books of account. But what are the two books of account? Everyone. In books of account means point number A, first is journal, correct? And point number B, second is what? Ledger. Very good. Excellent. Correct? Means third, बताओ. Everyone, I'm writing third note. You need to understand this third note very much properly. Correct? Any personal transactions, any personal transactions which affects the financial position of business, बताओ, will be recorded या will not be recorded in the books of account. Everyone बताओ. Any personal transactions, मेरी बात को समझो. Any personal transaction which affects the financial position of business will be recorded कि will not be recorded? Respond. Will be recorded या will not be recorded? बोलो, will be recorded or will not be recorded? So many of you have given correct answer. Yes, it will be recorded. Those you are saying not recorded, फिर से समझो. Just try to understand. Correct. Those you are saying not recorded, you are saying wrong. Any transaction which affect the financial position of business will be recorded. Correct ना? तो पर्सनल ट्रांजेक्शन, मैंने तो कभी नहीं बोला कि पर्सनल ट्रांजेक्शन विल नॉट बी रिकॉर्डेड. I said those transactions which affect the financial position of business are financial transaction. Are financial transaction. Correct ना? So any personal transactions which affect the financial position of business will be recorded. Will be recorded, of course, in the books of account. For example, just try to understand मेरी बात को. कि suppose this is, I started with this example, Ram and company, correct? Now suppose Ram has a cash of rupees 1 lakh and Ram and company has a cash of rupees 5 lakh, correct? Understood? So we are recording, in accounting we are recording the cash of rupees 5 lakh. Will not record this, correct? Now Ram has purchased a car of rupees, या कार बाइक कर देते हैं. Ram has purchased a bike of rupees 50,000 for personal use from personal cash. बताओ, ये एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको यहीं पे लिखा रहा हूं. एग्जाम्पल है ना. दिस एग्जाम्पल नंबर वन. बाइक means Ram has purchased bike. Ram has purchased bike of rupees 50,000 for personal use from personal cash. But will be recorded, will not be recorded? Very good. So can I say this will not be recorded? Will not be recorded. Why it will not be recorded? Because this is not a financial transaction. This is not a financial transactions. Have you understood why it is not a financial transaction? Because it does not affect the cash of business. Understood? Yes sir. Correct. ये समझे. I am giving you second example. समझेंगे. Point number 2. Ram has purchased bike of rupees 50,000 for personal use from business cash. बताओ, will be recorded, will not be recorded? तो of course this is a personal transaction. बताओ, will be recorded, will not be recorded? अभी कैसे रिकॉर्ड करना वो देखेंगे. How to record, that is the first process of accounting recording where we prepare journal. How to record वो आगे की बात है. First we are understanding whether it will be recorded or will not be recorded. बताओ, will be recorded, will not be recorded? Yes, everyone is correct. It will be recorded. Will be recorded. Why? Because it is a, I am writing FT now, financial transaction. It is a financial transaction. अभी और example है. Point number 3, everyone. If इसका जवाब दिया तो लाइव झिंगा डाला. Correct? Now if you can answer this point number 3, means you have totally understood. Totally understood. Ram has has purchased bike of rupees 50,000 for business use from personal cash. From personal cash. Ram has purchased bike of rupees 50,000 for business use from personal cash. Batao, will be recorded, will not be recorded. If you can answer this, means you have understood all the points. Everyone respond. So many of you have said recorded, but some of you are saying not recorded. ऐसे में doubt आ गया. Just trying to understand when I'm asking you question and if I'm getting what both type of answer means doubt is there. So I'm asking this question to create doubt. To create doubt. So if you are giving wrong answer, don't be demotivated. Don't be demotivated. अभी बहुत समझना मैंने पहले बोल दिया. I've already said that give me 4-5 days. I will change the learning process. How to learn. Correct now. Means even though you have done in class 11, 12, but it might happen the learning process was not correct. Now just try to understand. Ram has purchased bike for business use. Means can I say bike become the business asset of business? So can I say it will increase the asset of business because bike will be used by business. So this is a bike of business, not bike of Ram. Correct? This is the bike of business, not the bike of Ram. So can I say it is affecting, it is changing the asset of the business, therefore will be recorded. Therefore will be recorded. Correct? Understood? Bolo. Have you understood? Anyone have doubt? Will be recorded. Will be recorded.